Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best PureSource Ultra 2 is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components in maintaining a healthy home, ensuring that every drop of water you and your family consume is free from harmful contaminants and unpleasant tastes, making it a crucial investment for your well-being and peace of mind. Number 5. FRIGIDAIRE EPTWFU01 PureSource Ultra 2 Water Filter. Enjoy crisp, fresh-tasting water directly from your refrigerator. This filter is designed to remove contaminants, giving you peace of mind with every glass. Its advanced carbon-based filter improves your water by removing the taste of chlorine. This makes it easy to keep your whole family hydrated with smoother-tasting water. Take a sip and relax as it works to reduce impurities found in tap water, like lead and mercury. Enjoy worry-free water right in your home. Installation is simple with our push and twist design. Just turn the old one counterclockwise, pull it out, and insert the new one, pushing and turning until it clicks. Your refrigerator's reminder light won't turn off automatically. Simply press and hold the water filter button for 3 seconds to reset it, changing the display from red to green. This genuine filter is certified by the Water Quality Association for sustainability. You can trust its quality and performance for your water needs. What we like? Enjoy crisp, clean water directly from your refrigerator. This filter is designed to remove common impurities, ensuring peace of mind with every glass. If you're looking for a straightforward, easy-to-install filter that significantly improves the taste of your tap water, this is a great choice for keeping your family hydrated. What people say. This refrigerator water filter fits perfectly and was very easy to install. The water tastes clean and fresh, and the quality is excellent. These are quality water filters. It fits our fridge model and is compatible. It functions well, and this is a multiple repurchase for us. Water is clean and clear. The best thing about this filter is its sheer simplicity. Installation is a breeze. You just push the old one in to pop it out, then click the new one into place. There are no tools, no water lines to shut off, and no guesswork. The refrigerator's control panel automatically tracks the filter's life and gives a clear replace notification when it's time for a new one. The water tastes clean and crisp, which is exactly what you want. Number 4. AQUA CREST WF1CB Refrigerator Water Filter, 3-pack. Experience excellent prior filtration performance that stands on par with the original brand. It's certified by NSF 42 and 372 standards for your peace of mind. Unlike generic brands, this filter uses a superior coconut shell carbon block. It effectively removes a wide range of impurities from your drinking water. It significantly reduces chlorine, bad taste, and odor from your water. Enjoy pure-tasting water with every glass. Designed for a perfect fit, installation is a breeze. You can replace it yourself in just a few minutes, just like the original. The upgraded coconut shell carbon block offers a larger surface area and more micropores. This enhances filtration efficiency, capturing sediments and heavy metals. Included stickers help you track installation dates. Worry less about overuse and enjoy up to 6 months of pure water. Crafted with BPA-free and food-grade materials, it's certified lead-free by NSF 372. You can trust its safety for your family. What we like? Get excellent filtration performance with this multi-pack option. It utilizes superior coconut shell carbon to remove a wide range of impurities, including chlorine, bad taste, and odor. If you want a cost-effective solution with convenient date reminders to ensure you're always drinking fresh water, this pack is ideal. What people say. They work and last a full 6 months. Works well and was easy to replace. This one fits correctly and does not leak. I also tested the water and it does come out cleaner through these filters. Number 3. MARRIOTTO WF2CB Water Filter, 2-pack. Experience superior filtration with our premium coconut charcoal block. It effectively reduces impurities while retaining essential minerals for your well-being. Rest assured, our filters meet NSF 42 standards for materials and construction. Our laboratory tests show it removes up to 97.9% of chlorine, significantly improving water taste and smell. This filter is designed for broad compatibility, fitting models like WF2CB, FC100, PureSource 2, and Kenmore 469916. It's a versatile choice for many refrigerators. For the freshest water, remember to replace your filter every 6 months or after 300 gallons. This ensures you consistently enjoy clean, great-tasting water. We are confident you'll love the benefits our product brings to your home. Enjoy peace of mind with our customer service experience guarantee. What we like. Experience water that's not only clean but also retains beneficial minerals. This filter uses premium coconut charcoal to reduce impurities while keeping the good stuff in your water. If you prioritize retaining essential minerals for health and want a convenient 2-pack solution, this is the filter for you. What people say. This filter fit my unit perfectly and the water is running clear and faster. These filters are very nice. My water tastes good and is clean. It works. I just had to get past the first few cups of water after installation before all was back to normal. Number 2. BOGDA EPTWFU01 Water Filter Replacement, 2 count. Experience superior water purification with our advanced coconut shell carbon filter. Certified by NSF Standard 42, it effectively reduces 99% of suspended particles for cleaner, safer drinking water. Designed for a perfect fit, this replacement is compatible with numerous models including PureSource Ultra 2 and various FRIGIDAIRE refrigerators. Please verify your model number before purchase. Unlike traditional filters, ours uses 100% selected active coconut shell carbon. This premium material offers a larger surface area and more micropores for enhanced filtration. Enjoy a hassle-free replacement process. This filter is engineered for a perfect fit and can be installed in minutes without the need for any tools. For best results, replace your filter every 6 months or 200 gallons. While it typically doesn't leave black particles, a pre-use rinse is recommended for optimal performance. What we like. This filter boasts an advanced coconut shell composition for superior filtration. It's certified by NSF Standard 42 and effectively reduces 99% of suspended particles. If you need a high-performance filter that's incredibly easy to install without any tools, this option offers excellent purification. What people say. This filter fit perfectly into my fridge, works great, and is substantially less than I was paying at a big box store. Water tastes great, it's clear, and no mold at all. The water and ice taste so much better now. Instruction that came with the filters made it super easy to install. Great fit, 0 leaks, 0 issues. Number 1. PUREPLUS Refrigerator Water Filter 3-pack. Enjoy peace of mind with our filter, certified by NSF ANSI 42 and 372. It effectively reduces chlorine, improving taste and odor while ensuring lead-free compliance for your family's health. Experience superior filtration with our innovative multi-layer technology. It removes 99.99% of chlorine and harmful particles while retaining beneficial minerals for healthier drinking water. We adhere to strict ISO 9001 and 14000 standards, with each filter undergoing rigorous testing. You can trust in its durability and performance, thanks to our meticulous production processes. Designed for easy installation, this filter is compatible with a wide range of refrigerator models, including PureSource Ultra 2 and EWF02. Enjoy clean water without the hassle. As a leading global brand, we offer exceptional filtration performance at a more reasonable price. Choose us for a cost-effective solution to pure, great-tasting water. What we like. Choose a filter with authoritative certifications for your peace of mind. This option features innovative multi-layer filtration and is certified by NSF ANSI 42 and 372, reducing chlorine while retaining beneficial minerals. If you seek a highly certified, multi-layered filtration system that ensures both purity and health benefits, this is the smart choice. What people say. Water flows well through the filter. It was compatible with our FRIGIDAIRE refrigerator. Easy to install and gives clean, fresh-tasting water. Great value for the 2-pack, easy to install. Nice clean ice. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.